morning. Happy New Year to you all. Just coming in to check in to see how your New Year was. And mine was great. I hope you're having a fuzzy rich morning. Y'all see my hair, I just washed my hair. I'm just kind of letting it dry out, so. But yeah, I'm getting ready to clean up some dishes that I normally don't do, but I left them in the sink last night. We'll get started with cleaning. We'll just sweep, dust mop, just everything. I need to have the ladies come in and clean, but you know, of course, I gotta clean first before they come. Alright, I got the kitchen cleaned. Ready to have breakfast. Yeah, we got some more stuff out of storage. These right here are, gosh, I got these probably from Home Goods or At Home. Probably about 12 years ago for the other house. These are the same. So some of this stuff is not new, like my little accessories. But yeah, I got the counters wiped down, dishes done. Now we're getting ready to cook breakfast. But I'm gonna continue this and I'll be back. I'm ready to sweep, dust mop, and get this area over here cleaned up. And all this dusted. Then I'll have the ladies come in this weekend and get these baseboards done. To me, the glass cleaner cleans the stainless steel better than the stainless steel cleaner. So that's why I use it. And this is, what do you call it, fingerprint resistant, but still, it still is. And I didn't show, but I bought some, I don't know if I showed the little things. I put them on the bottom of the feet of the chair, so it wouldn't drag and mess up the floor.
Everything that we do has been said about me. Yes. raised and groomed by honesty. Growing up in politics helped me understand its nature.
Go find the person that duped you.
I've been done cleaning, so now I'm just gonna do a wash and go that I got with some products. My hair, I washed it the other day, and I got, I think, some shea butter on it. But anyway, I just got this here. I don't know if you can see it. Some ALIKAY Naturals gel, some edge control, conditioner, which the leave-in conditioner I've used before. This is just plain water in this bottle. The one thing I do not like about these leave-in conditioner is the pump on it. I'd rather just pour it out. So I'm just gonna open it up and pour it into my hands. I showed y'all earlier my hair, but look how it's filled in nicely, nice and thick for me. And this is thick. Feels like a petroleum gel, like Vaseline. And it's not greasy or anything. I didn't read the instructions, but I suspect that this will work soaking wet hair also, because it's, to me, it's gliding through my hair. It's doing what it's supposed to do. My thing is, it gonna flake? That would be my problem. That's what the wet line extreme does. It flakes after a few days. So yeah, you need a lot of water on this. So next time I do it, I'll do it in the shower. I'm almost done. I have this little section right here to do. Guys, it's like instantly when this stuff hits my hair, it just does this here. It just curls up so easily. This is what it's looking like. This stuff is amazing. Like my curls, they look nice with the wet line extreme, but the curls, they don't look like this. This part right here is the hardest part for me to get my curls to really do what they need to do. And they did it so easily. So yeah, I'm gonna sit under the dryer, and then I'll try the edge control too when I'm done drying. Right now I'm gonna stop picking at it and leave it alone. From underneath the dryer, it's been about 30 minutes, and my hair, I think, looks amazing. There's a nice shine to it. It is a little crunchy, but I don't care. I don't mind that. But yeah, guys, this is nice. And my hair, usually every 3 days, I need to like moisturize it very well, but I got a feeling this might last. This should last though. I'm gonna say about at least a good 5 days for me. But I'll just keep adding water to it every day, just getting some steam on it. But look at that. This is really pretty. The best part, there's no flaking whatsoever. I don't know how she did it, but this is awesome. And it's got a little crunch, but again, my hair doesn't feel dry or anything like that. And I'll just pick it out when it's probably tomorrow. It's late now, so yeah, it feels pretty good. It even curled like this area here. This, where the alopecia is coming forward, is usually a little bit harder to curl, and it did it just fine. So I'm excited about that. The sides also, like these parts right here are a little bit harder to curl also. But yeah, I'm sweating now. It's hot. And this, let me try this. I really don't want to put it on because I'm going to be going to bed, but let me just put it right here in this little area. Just to see. So I'll put it on now so we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Just in that one spot. This texture just feels, yeah, none of the products were greasy or anything. This is going to be a staple of mine. Probably won't be using the Wetline Extreme anymore. This was, I think, about $12 or $13, and it's 8 ounces. But I don't care. The way my hair looks, and there's no flaking. Listen, I can get in the shower, put some water on it, and it's gonna look good. So yeah, I just wanted to come and show you all my progress on my alopecia. As you see, it's doing good. It's filled in. It's growing. So that's a plus. Yeah, but it's thriving. And again, I attribute it to cutting out meat, no dairy, and no processed food. So I think it's working. But anyway, yep, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show you all my progress with my alopecia here in this new lemongrass collection styling gel by ALIKAY Naturals. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Playing ping pong on the VR. Breakfast for dinner, Friday night. Days on the 1-2s. Good morning. I just wanted to give y'all a look and show you how my hair looks. I just took my bonnet off, and there is no flaking or anything, and all the curls are still intact. But I just wanted to give y'all a look at this morning. It's Saturday morning. My bonnet off. I haven't put anything on it. That edge control is still laid down. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a look and how there's no flaking. ALIKAY Naturals gel.